Now Aquaba and found Bragan and Sam TVGH so what frame me Adjoa searching.
Workers at Korle Teaching Hospital. And then my uncle had a serious asthma attack. Yeah, didn't ba hono. He was struggling not from nana or pray, but because you people are on strike, you refuse to even take care of him. Even after his wife was demanding, say, Mudia Monshano, she's going to pay every amount. Ye profession, we are all humans, so. A young man at the age of 30 years, he married just 3 years ago. 3 years ago, so yeah. This December will be 3 years. He doesn't have a kid. He had an asthma attack. I catch you say, you guys are on strike into unfun and co. Yeah, Damasi, he's dead. Yeah, the not question what you. Yeah, Damasi, we are grateful to you people. See a profession soon chair, Mumayan Kasi and any pow. And you money and I be. Now, so we are some men show young when man yana bonnet. He is dead. Yes, woo. Thank you to whoever they met there. Where do you want to know? Oh, yeah, dancing. Yes, so, yeah, the idea of watching. We will bury him. A radimo where you man and costu. No more quatente. You, that person that was in charge. You said you are on strike. Into woman fanning kononko. Well, yeah, the question watch. Yeah, Damasi. Why? You.
A dear na Ministry of Finance and NASA Bank of Ghana. NDC for penny for dano. Ediaba enunti chere say no na ama dollar na bafom. Yinya ba kokra. Those who attempted to lie, started to say gold board. The one who is a jinsem. Georgie, almost say gold board. Now say na anti our political party no nyansa no no person omo de ye adwuma. And now so almost share that some person omo frustrate your mind na or mind tete pansam. Why do they act like that? Why? Gold purchasing program. His Excellency Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, the book na da ha. Eyadi okofa ba say Yamma Bank of Ghana facilities. Ento gold. Na ye fen cushion your reserves. Yamfa gold unkwaji woye. Said ye be ya yan kwasesa sebio yan kwasesa cedi bebre ento dollar ketua bi enkoto petrol ketua bi mframa no ne mfa meton aboden. The guy said buy John Jina Posha a scam and no one can say heat a banus no no. Almost say a scam. Now on my ben a veggie gold is on Obama oil, Omun TV that. This is what they said. Last one can say governor ya omudini deputy governor said they will buy your bet now. Or say dear amma ye forest reserve no aye stronger emma ye currency ni jinano. The gold purchasing program by Bank of Ghana. And Yamina Mekaya, NDC for governor who is here and Omunkro for no bon. Into Brofuno Krawoka woman tiasie. But here no money the beba from no matiasie by force. And the saying Sami Jemfi gold board say cast operation akra na woman ye operations in do 4 months. But ye say sa 0.08 tons of gold now so far one more no eno na etumi ama currency na ejina, but they are onukuta over 70 tons our Bank of Ghana eduku senior reserves na de eye no mo na ama currency na ejina. What kind of people are these people? And this if omo like omo ye duabe imumu like why are they like this? Why are they like this? Mekai say ye the gold purchasing program mo deeper wo me atam mekai Sami Jemfi ewia ketekete bi no ko share sa ne blue coat bi no no kwatena obi o na obi so egi envelope no man kwan se won jimi eh afi de ye gold do ye ahemfo sorry and that year you gold no almost a Bank of Ghana it is say we goldsmith a wadwuma say we goldsmith a won tumi fa gold nkobio aban be ni we ni na ade akufado ene adesen nom ena aka bom see a person ye real Ghana gold ade e chen no my story abeto Akufado and his family tried to smuggle gold out of Ghana. Samo kaya omo ye story beto to beef up the nonsense they wanted to spew. Mekai gold for oil when the first 40 barrels came. John Jina Poko Tintini. Oh, when you know, we will pay for it there. Hey, I can't tobo. Everything to rubbish such an intelligent idea by no other than Dr. Bawumia. I mean, show the India, I say intelligent. Ghana, you were professors and pennyfua baby big Ghana soko. Yenye nyansani bia woman anka say yemfa gold nkwaji oil because gold mood. Good to see you, Henrietta. What's that? I'm coming to know that the way I'm NDC former Ghana 5 years. Mr. Becca will be the worst country with the lowest IQ. I'm telling you. We sat down with all the leaders we have had. Nobody thought outside the box to say, you bet to me the gold will akwaji oil. Yan chicha wa kadi any yan fancy any. Mama yen to gold yan from back your currency no. Chrono. Chrono for the berry ya. Ni anom de aye no ehemfu ni na obi amfa na adwene mra. Wo na nakwa a wo se wo gold nti wudi tu kwan na se wan fa mfa sa meja mfi wa mpa cho ye be chew ya hemra. Ghana mwendi boni o. Ebufuo ko ebe mu sa 2024 we die. Mu die di boni papa. Ye koto gold do. Sabi oil with gold e bad. Young for gold no indicate because all share breaks for no that is what they are doing. No, they use their minerals to support their currency. It will be the adwene we are banan kebe bo man ni na sabi ye di na tem. Ye nya adongo ye na no se preko bi baby. Ebe gina waka asa wale Adam Smith ni ye nim dia ye na ye nim dia ye. And then there so ensunsanso bi ba no kran ye fully a year. NDC for say young farm more because some buy and 4 months to set to gold body to many more gold. Say gold na US dollar number for. Let us be careful. NDC has no idea how the American currency is falling. I have told you people. America for Trump. Pen once the trade war be buying. America dollar no it is not in demand. If I'm not trading with America, why the hell do I need American dollars for? I don't need American dollars. And that is how the currency came down. Now, the same Trump is now finding ways to say, we'll be renegotiating some of the hatch now, all those things. No, he's trying to find ways to work back on them so that American currency can rise again. And it will rise again, believe me. This is America. They know how to do these things. It will rise again. And when it rises, me, you in Ghana, and the other lower countries are the ones that are going to pay for it. America does it all the time. It is end this ni because I check one way beside say you what Nembo mansa no beko no ombo one thing ato forcing and as a Bank of Ghana aye no nti ama dollar na ba form ye fair no ntonchen. Now me catch you say NDC a political party bia we should not allow them. Mr. Ellen, why ready? I don't know. As our network ni so. Yeah, waba. Sterling. Hello. Good evening, Sterling. Pacho me ton kapa na what to say? Yo, e de nyame ase. E de nyame ase. E we de e da ase. Say na me hu say we waba so. Enne enkomo kakra bi e wo. Enkomo kakra bi e wo na ye die entra NDC for ADD ye de abeje power eno ho bi nanka maybe the fa SML for